V, life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm unslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, and you should too, because we all deserve to feel special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are felt through. My resolve is deeper than Gons when Peter took kite from his arms. I'll travel at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pains me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second? A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave.
I got a couple of devils around for a couple of niggas that think they could get with me. Pull up and empty the 50. Clean up your block in the lickety splickety. B.O.B. keeping them with me, filling them up, making this little nigga filthy. Who gon' pull up and come get me? I'm known from Boston to Compton. You know the bomb where you at. I'm loading up carbines and cop guns. You took a fall where you at, and you a rat. I never figured it until we figured it, nigga, figure that. And you was the nigga I'm fucking these bitches with, jigging in back of the trap with packs and straps. Oh nigga, I got the juice, bitch, best obey your thirst. While I'm riding on 23s, my enemies is in hearses, yeah. And any weapon formed against me better bust and hit me up first. These bullets is cursed, so I hope your mama knows.
A risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave.
They like Jay, you stuck in the clouds, get down to earth, pull your head out Uranus. Elevated mind state, got a mind rate, I only exist in greatness. Whew, I'm on a different plane shit. If we ain't seeing eye to eye, bitches do or die, yeah, and I plan to make it. Yeah, I'm too great to fake it. Bigger bags that I'm chasing now. If the sky's the limit, then I'm aiming down. Money calling, I gotta take this now. Yeah, your people running on my patience out. So close, I can taste it now. Came a long way from that vacant house. They never thought that I'd make it out. Now it's bigger checks, yeah, I make them.
You can manifest it.
OG spaceship, flip my bit, get licked, then I take off. Keep a Kit Kat, get back, click,
Just
clack,
believe.
don't give me no reason to break
Process.
off. I'm on the grind, taking what's mine. Ain't no way you dummy stolen my shine. Could've smoke on his pipe. Worried I'm not, if you know me, you know that I'm.
Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave.
Just a little motivation for the guys. Just a little bit of motivation. Hold on. Let me pull you up. Hold on, we got 10 people up here. Hold on, let me pull up my screen here, guys. Hold on. We ain't even monetize it. I was locked in just now. We had to get a little bit of motivation in this dump. This dump, you need a little bit of motivation, right? God damn, boy, the suits and ties is ain't playing. Guys, they pulling us down, bro. This is what y'all wanted though. Y'all wanted that suit and tie, institutional money. That okay, I turned my monetization on. Hold on. Let me get it. I should have sold 75% of my bag last week. So call for profit yesterday too. Re-enter in good days. So the grip yesterday will re-enter. Yeah, a lot of people. I see a lot of people did take profits, right? A lot of people did take profits here. All right, so let's go into what's going on in the news. Make sure my mic is set up here. Mic check. All right, y'all should be able to hear me. I'll move a little bit closer and see what's going on inside this market. Okay, we got a week. All right, have we started rebounding on the hour? So we have started to rebound on the hour, right? So you're seeing a rebound here on the hour from some of the cryptocurrencies. So you can actually, again, I like to pay attention to the strongest currencies in the market. And again, guys, this is what happens, right? We got the FOMC meeting tomorrow. We got a lot of leverage in the market, a lot of charts that just were going straight up. I mean, at some time, you got to be prepared for a pullback, you know, especially if you're in a cryptocurrency that pumped massively. You know what I mean? Even on a community token, it pumped massively, right? So, you know what I mean? A lot of people are getting feared and feared out the market and scared and all this extra sugar, honey, iced tea. So that's what it is. Today is, I don't even know the date. 1 second, guys. I don't even know the date. Okay, 2 for Tuesday, double up day. 2 for Tuesday, double up day. The second day of the working week. I didn't even know the date today. That's how unbothered I am by this dip. We got 30 days into the next Bitcoin halving. We got 30 days until the J5 halving. Guys, when you hop in here, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Let's share this everywhere. I know I'm competing with some of the big guys out here today, but I wanted to come on here early and kind of like give you guys that hopium, that ease of mind. You know what I mean? So we good. All right, we good. Money line is still green as long as BTC is above 57K. We are sitting at 63. Now if we go down, if we close in the week per se below 57, then you know we got to start looking at some things. Well, we are right across the market here, and these are some of the reasons why BTC could possibly be declining. So the Bank of Japan increased interest rates, which is crazy because just a month ago, they were putting money into the market for all of these startup cryptocurrency companies. So very bipolar of Japan, right? Accumulated long positions cleaning, all right? So we already know that a lot of people have been using leverage. Not a big fan of leverage, but people want to get rich quick, so they use leverage. Tomorrow's pre-Fed sales, so everybody's marking in and kind of like baking in this Fed pause, right? Because technically we are still in quantitative tightening. I think a lot of people need to realize that we're in quantitative tightening, and this is a dump throughout the market. Okay, it's not anything specific. It's not fear. It's not FUD. It's not none of that bullshit that y'all make up in y'all heads. Okay, because I know how this goes, right? Everybody's when crypto starts dumping, people start making up things in their heads and they start getting hyper emotional, right? Let's not get hyper emotional. These are the times in a bull market when you appreciate the dump and you kind of like, if you got it, right? If you don't got it, you can't add to your bags, right? If you don't got it, you need to focus on making money, right? You can't focus on spending money on crypto if you don't got it. First and foremost, never invest what you're afraid to lose. So if you don't got it, just leave crypto. I always tell people, if you don't got it, just leave. Ain't no point in like stressing yourself out because you'll be up all night and something go down 5%, you ready to sell. So just if you don't got it, you already have crypto, just chill. If you don't got it and you don't have any crypto, at this point in time, maybe it may not be for you. You know what I mean? Nothing personal, just business. All right. So one day into the FOMC meeting here, a 99% chances of pause, right? And we're seeing the entire market, even the stock market here, getting capitulated, right? Getting wrecked. The reckoning of altcoins, the reckoning of Bitcoin, and again, once I get off stream here, I'll go look at my portfolio, see if some things that are maybe strong, DCA, work on some things with J5 behind the scenes. Yeah, we're not letting this stop nothing, right? We have been around for a while now, right? Not an OG just yet, right? I haven't been in a full bull and bear market together, but definitely a little bit more experienced than I was, and I've seen these type of moves before. And this type of move is different because in the previous times, right, we actually had a lot of BS going on with SBF and this and that. But, you know, this right here is just profit taken from the elites. The ETFs pushing the price down across the market to be able to load up at bigger prices because they've been buying at premium, right? These ETFs got launched in the midst of Bitcoin going up. So a lot of their investors have been buying at premium, and they're trying to get their investors a bigger price. I even noticed on the charts a lot of the these I don't want to get into it. Okay. About to stress myself out there. All right, so BTC, what am I looking at on the weekly here? Okay, CME Group. Would not want this thing to turn into a head and shoulders, man. We've seen what the head and shoulders did to our personal community chart. So we don't want a head and shoulders here on BTC on the weekly, but it is telling that we have now confirmed bearish here on momentum after we did cross across the 80 here. So I would be paying attention to how far this pullback actually goes. I'm ready to get Wednesday out the way so we can get back into turning green. I know you're starting to see a lot of the cryptos turn green on the hour. I personally don't think the dump is over. I think that we got one more day going into this FOMC meeting that we need to start keying in on. So I wouldn't go all out into my DCA today. I'll probably range my DCA over the next 3 days, right? Just to keep it smart, right? Create buy zones and kind of range my DCA. I'm not specifically a seller or taking profits here, because we've been here before as far as the cycle. You can see here in the 2017 cycle, we had 2 pullbacks in 18 days after we got the cycle high, which probably scared the shit out of many people, and then we had an explosive move to the upside. 2021, we had the same thing, 2 pullbacks in 12 days, 15% and 16%. So, you know, great alpha here from Jelly. We'll give him a follow. Hold on to your bags, go easy to leverage and watch this unfold. Our job, and I agree 110%, is to survive. Yes, our job is to survive. Meme coins are getting decimated, J5 included, right? You know, a lot of people made a lot of capital here with our project and has decided to take profits, and this just is how it is in crypto. I don't take anything of it personal, but that's just how it is. My job is to keep building, right? Like and subscribe if you want Millie to keep building. Let me know in the comments. Buildo. All right, Bitcoin halving rallies. We still haven't had that rally, right? That rally that after the halving rally here. Another Jamie here, he said we haven't even begun to rally yet. Bitcoin was well above the accepted levels going into the halving, which was around 35K, and we ended up being at 70K, which is crazy, right? So take a breath, turn off the leverage, and sit tight. The fun has yet to begin. 100K is still happening this year, which will pull the rest of the market with it, okay? And I believe so. I believe that a lot of the projects that we in are set up to win in the long run. I think AI is going to be huge here. You can see if I oh my goodness, that dunk. Oh, I gotta watch this again. Oh my god, that was one of the dunks that, I don't know, between him and Jalen Green may have been the dunk of the year. Okay, back to crypto guys. So Nvidia just announced Groot. So, you know, our meme coin falls under the AI sector. So you see what's going on with AI. Nvidia just announced Groot. It will be enabled a robot to understand multi-modal instructions like language, video, and motion. This is absolutely insane. This is why I'm excited for our community project, because we fall into the meme and the AI narrative and just the AI narrative itself, right? A lot of the projects that we hold are in the AI and gaming narratives. So it's good to see that NVIDIA is really pushing this AI thing, man. And yeah, we're part of the NVIDIA program. It doesn't say much, but we're part of it. So we'll be able to use NVIDIA developer tools as we get into expanding and developing here. But this is huge news. This is huge news. Being able to a robot to understand instructions by language, by video, by motion. Data annotation is becoming huge. I know, guys, it's hard to see the future now with crypto dumping. You kind of like, you get blinded. But look at this. This is crazy, right? This is absolutely crazy. This is what Roko is doing, right? That's why I like the Roko project. Roko is developing something very similar to what we're seeing right here from NVIDIA, where you can actually put on your VR headsets and control your robot from your VR headset. So that's why I like the Roko project there. And yeah, this is absolutely insane, right? These guys are putting in that work, guys. What do you think about AI? AI is the future, in my opinion. Nvidia, this is bullish. This news that they just dropped, it's probably going to send AI cryptocurrencies to the moon once we make it out of this this whatever you want to call it, right? Take a sip of my coffee here. A lot of our good projects are at the GTC conference. Yeah, we'll start going to conferences as well, man. I just been focusing on building the ground here, building the floor, getting the structure built for the project so it can kind of live on its own without Millie having to constantly give updates and stuff like that. So we'll get that, man. But this is huge, right? This is interesting, in my opinion. Love to see it. Love to see it. 25 seconds left, and then we'll get into some comments, and then we'll go into actually we'll go into this next topic after this video ends here. That coffee was good. Wake up, wake up. It's the first. Let's go. It's 3/19, March 19th, man. Hey, y'all, wake up, man. What's wrong with that? Wake up, man. Come on now. Get it together. Negative energy, man. All right. So
this is where.
Yeah, that's the future, all right? Let's get into what's going on here, because now we got something Black Swan. What's the Black Swan news? Let's see what the Black Swan. Black Swan. Okay, I don't think we got any Black Swan news. But this is what I was telling you in the previous video yesterday when we talked live, right? How we had this 60% crash before the halving. We had a 50% crash before the halving here in 2012. We had a 30% crash in 2016 before the halving. We had a 60% crash, and this was because of the CVID, all right, 2020. And this is the fourth halving, and I want to know in the comments, predict this right now in the comments. What percentage of dump do you think we will have before going into the halving? Guys, if you go watch my previous videos, I literally told you guys that there will be a pre-halving or post-halving dump. Now what I didn't know was that we was gonna go to fucking 70 fucking K. I didn't see that coming, right? I didn't expect us to go to 70K, but the suit and ties pumped this thing up, bro. They pumped it up, and now they're pulling the rug, right? They're pulling the rug because so many people were euphoric. So many people started using leverage. So many of these meme coins, like Book of Memes and all this shit, just started like pumping up, making millionaires overnight. And you know, at the end of the day, countries own Bitcoin. The government owns Bitcoin. They smart. They like, hold up. You think Solana, you think you about to make $1 million every day on us? Nah, not happening. Pull the fucking rug. Make the call. He bought, dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. He bought, dump it, baby. All right, so it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Accountability for the people that brought at the tops that didn't, perfectly time their entry points. And this is sad for any new person that got into crypto, thinking that we were going to 300K, like not really understanding that they may have been late, or understanding that, hey, let me find a decent entry point and not buy into green candles. I hate to see it, but this is what they do in the media, right? They pump us up in the media, right? And they get everybody involved, right? The media was just so euphoric and bullish on Bitcoin, and then they pull the rug, and then they want to make it seem like we're a scam. And that's what I do not like about the media, and how the media tries to portray what happens in crypto. Yet when everything is going all good, when the sun is shining and the wind is moving perfectly 60 degrees angle, and you can see that sun hitting the side of your face, and everything just feeling beautiful, you want to talk good about us. But as soon as everybody get in, after you pump it up, y'all pull the rug. See, I don't respect that. I don't respect that at all. But this is the name and the state of crypto, and what we have to go through, right, for that freedom, for that financial sovereignty. Like and subscribe if you get some alpha here, guys. So definitely, we share the live stream? Okay, we got 38 people in here. Please share. We need to get this out here. Let's see what we got here. Leon, what's up? David, good morning. Thoughts on MOERC? I'm not getting into the whole MOERC thing. Millie, did you sleep? Did you Eve sleep, fams? Oh, I don't know, Block Boy. Credit card leverage still. Oh, man. Good for you, Laurel. Balls to the walls, buying the fucking dip. Let's go. Yeah, I sold my GBDC yesterday. What's that, green Bitcoin? Okay, that's good. Elon at BRG levels, Melvin moves are having crypto will go down. Yeah, we do have a Elon chart here pulled up. On the daily, so we did break the 0.5. I told you guys yesterday, if we break the 0.5, next stop was the 382. Everything is happening exactly like I expected here on all of my charts here. Jasmine here did touch a penny and a half. We literally called what was going to happen. Is touch a penny and a half. I don't know what happens from here. I haven't done any charting, and frankly, going into the FOMC meeting, we could see even more downside. I think we broke under a penny here at 86. Looking to complete this head and shoulders pattern. Hopefully, we can break out of this at some point. New buyers come in, and we can actually break out of this pattern. But it's been ugly, guys. It's been ugly. It's been ugly. It's been really, really ugly all across the market. And, I live in my transparency. I live in my truth. And that's just how it is. That's just how it is. So, wow, Elon back at $133 million market cap when it was just at 200 million is absolutely wild. The same thing can be said for our project. We was over $1 million. Jasmine, I think, is back down to 813 million. So it's a lot. But again, it's we gotta take the punches and continue to move, right? We gotta take the punches and continue to move. Let's get into some of this chat here. We got 45 people here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bought some bad idea. Bad idea. I haven't heard about that one in a long time. Let's check it out here. Bad idea. Bad idea. $28 million market cap. All right. Yeah, it's good to see people DCAing. No, not bad. This is actually a nice, good pattern here. We got a flag pattern here. Stock RSI is bearish, right? No sign of confirmation yet of bullish. And MACD is losing strength as we go. Could continue to lose strength as we head into this FOMC meeting. But yeah, bad idea is looking pretty good. Looks like it definitely wants to put in a golden cross here on the daily, which would be extremely bullish. This is actually one of the more bullish charts that I've seen today. Let's see if we got that golden cross on the 12-hour. Yeah, perfectly. Called it perfectly. So guys, bad idea. I wouldn't trade this upon the golden cross on the 12-hour, but I would be looking for the golden cross here on the daily. So we got it on the 12-hour. You can only assume that at some point, if this doesn't come down to the 200-day moving average, which in my opinion it possibly could. When you look at what's going on inside the market, I can see this coming to retest the 200-day moving average. What you want is you want this 50-day moving average to cross over the 200-day moving average, like we've seen here from the 12-hour, and that will be extremely bullish for bad idea. So bad idea is one of the more bullish charts that I've seen today. You also want this thing to hold right here at this neckline, which is 749. You don't want it to really break this, but I wouldn't be against a retest here of the 200 this 50-day moving average, right? We did get the golden cross on the 12-hour, even though momentum is peak bearish. So we do golden cross still bearish, a little divergence there. So I would definitely just be cautious. You could, most people, what they do is they see a golden cross and they instantly trade it, but you don't have to instantly trade it. You can kind of like have patience here, let this dump kind of like shake people out. But eventually this golden cross on the 12-hour will play out. And if it does play out, I expect we get the golden cross here on the daily, which will push this bad idea up here to further heights and confirm this uptrend that we're seeing from bad idea, right? You could fall a little bit down here to maybe 749. But yeah, it looks like it does want to get a golden cross. Nothing is confirmed, though. It's really too far to confirm that we could get a golden cross, but we did get it on the 12 hours. So yeah, bad idea is one of the more bullish charts that I am seeing out here today. Let's see what we got. Q&A, man. I'm chilling. I just went over the news, so really that was the news, right? It's FOMC today or tomorrow. Melvin, it's tomorrow. FOMC 1 day, 5 hours, 45 minutes into the next FOMC. Are you prepared? Guys, we are still in quantitative tightening. I want to pull up this chart here again. Every cycle we had a pre-halving crash. This is what I was talking about. I think I have my charts pulled up here. So again, I thought we was going to get the crash, you know, a little bit earlier. But actually, I thought we were going to get the crash regardless. I thought we was going to get the crash, but I didn't think we was going to go this high. Based on what I'm seeing, my 30% drop would put us around 40 something, right? 48K. Don't want to see it go to 48K because based on the money line, that would be bearish, right? So hopefully we can stick right around here at 50, around 57, right? 57. I think the money line is at 57. So we need to close above 57 on the money line. But again, this could potentially be a 30% drop here from here, which put us at about 48K. Suits and ties will pick it up. Suits and ties will pick it up. ETFs will pick it up. Guys, we are bearish, right, on the stock RSI, but there could be a fake out, right? So something like this could happen where we dump down, shake people out, right? Let's see here. All right, we gotta refresh this 1 second. All right, so we're back here. All right, so let's remove this. And okay, so yeah, right here, what I'm looking at, and let's minimize this a little bit. Maybe we hang around up here and then go back up, right? Kind of like we've seen in the past from right here, right? Could be something like that. But yeah, you don't want this thing to go down there. That would be absolutely horrific for altcoins if BTC goes for the weekly retest on the stock origin. That would be absolutely horrific for altcoins. Hopefully we stay away from that, right? That would be absolutely horrific. Taking a look at the total 3. All right, and we can go to the others or the total 3, whatever ones you guys prefer. Again, it's not just, you know, your project, your favorite meme coin or anything like that. It's literally every altcoin right now. You can kind of see the market here. You can kind of see the market here getting rejected at our resistance. So we already called this resistance here. I kind of told you guys that we were going for the complete inverted head and shoulders, but we wicked into the zone, but we definitely got rejected. We got rejected right up here. So anybody who took profits right here, they probably called this. They probably seen it coming. In fact, I seen it coming because I said it. But again, the Gossen channel is still green on the weekly, so it's hard for me to just be like, okay, I'm done with crypto here. I'm taking profits and I'm just right off to the moon. I think there's more money to be made. I think there's more capital to be made, and I think that this is just a shakeout before the halving cycle. But it's hard to, you know, go specifically off what I think because we hit an all-time high before the halving cycle, because so everything could be different. Honestly, everything could be different. So we're in uncharted territory here, but we did get rejected at our hands. Got the shoulder and the arms, but we couldn't get that hand going, and kind of like put in this move here, which would be cool. So I don't know. We could get something like this, right? We got the cup, and then the handle here going into the halving or post halving, however you want to do it, and then the move, the continuation to the upside, right? And that could be the altcoin season that we all want to see and all want to love and see. But it's not gonna happen. Who said this was gonna be easy, guys? Who the hell said this was gonna be easy? Nobody said they was just gonna wake up and just give us millions of dollars and, you know, have us living like this and our family's good forever. Nobody said this was gonna be easy. Alrighty, and even the others chart. So this is excluding the top 10 and the stable coins here. And again, same thing here, same thing here. But we are green in the Gossen channel. So yes, would love to see it hold here. We got that dead flower, so that's bearish. We know how that dead flower can easily turn into a head and shoulders pattern. But I mean, maybe this thing gets long drawn out, right? Maybe we do put in like a little head and shoulders pattern going into the halving and retest the trend line and then start the next. Like, I can see that happening, right? I can see us slow draining into the halving, kind of like shaking everybody out because nobody has fucking patience no more in crypto. It's like every day communities want something new. Every day you got to drop new news or you lose a community member. Like every day you got to wake up and be like, what news do I want to drop today? Nobody chills. If you just don't chill and have patience and let devs build, nobody allows that these days, right? Yeah, but they allow it in the stock market. But for some odd reason, you got to drop new news every day in crypto. Yeah, I don't see every stock dropping new news. Sometimes I don't see stocks dropping news for weeks, for months. So depressing sometimes. Investors have such these just unrealistic expectations, right? It's annoying, to be honest with you guys. It's annoying. We got 51 people here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Just lost 30K in profit. What happened, Ito? Got to go, Jay. Thank you, Melvin, for showing up. Days like this is where millionaires are made. That is true. That is true, Harry Breaks. Sold half of my stock portfolio. Emmy, you've been going crazy, right? Stock, Grayscale, Lake, BTC. Okay. I'm just making sure it wasn't that green BTC BS. Buy my ladies DCA. Let's see how my ladies is looking. Oh yeah, so it even dumped more since we were on stream. Wow, insane, right? It was looking like one. I don't even want to get into it. Let's see here, ladies. Down 26%. So yeah. I like to look at ladies from the 3-day because it gives us telling information. Ladies is definitely a pump and then reset type of project. Not going to say pump and dump, but you can see here, pump, reset, accumulation, pump, reset, accumulation, pump, going for the reset, and possibly the accumulation for the next move to the upside. So we said my ladies was in overbought territory. It finally peaked, and now it's bearish. Momentum is turning bearish also on the MACD. So this move here could be a head and shoulders and continue. I expect that this move ends up just like the other 3 moves, right? The trend is your friend until the end, and we've seen this before. So, and when I say the other moves here, basically, maybe it doesn't go as low to the trend line, but maybe a higher low, and then going for a higher high from here. So, very easy token to trade though. Very easy token to trade. If you're a trader, this is a trader's paradise token. Just look at this. This is a beauty, right? This token is a trader's. Yeah, this is like a trader's beauty right here. This is definitely. This man, ladies, you could just like trade this thing on the 3-day. It's like a beauty. Look at that. Look at that beauty, right? Pump, reset, accumulation, pump, reset, accumulation, pump, reset, going for the accumulation. Beauty, beauty, beautiful. Even the stock RSI is everything's textbook right here with my ladies, right? It just recently did a little something different because altcoins and meme coins was going crazy. But if it wasn't meme coins going crazy, it most likely would have did the same thing here. So that's that with my ladies. All right, see what we got here. Love seeing this red buying the dip as much as possible. Love it. RW Woods, you understand the assignment, baby. Days like this, that's why stocks don't do shit. Buy Mog, pump my bags. Let's see what we got here with Mog. I think Mog is actually listed on crypto.com. Crypto.com, Crowfam, what up? Crypto.com's been listing a lot of meme coins as of late, right? $274 million market cap, 7.8 liquidity, great. Well, I'm not gonna say great. This is okay flag pattern here, right? Definitely can stop here at 6349. Because I mean, right here, you want to see it stop at this wick though. We had 2 wicks that got rejected right here, so we could possibly get that rejection here at 6.4 and start to move up. If it breaks that, next stop is 6.38, and that's when you start looking at this thing a little bit, a little bit different, right? I won't say a little different. People take profits, guys. Like people went up massively in these cryptocurrencies, even with Bitcoin. You gotta understand. A lot of the OGs in Bitcoin made so much money last bull run, but it was unrealized because they never took profits, right? They thought BTC was honestly going to 100K. A lot of people shilled BTC to 100K, the same thing they did with Dogecoin, and it just never happened, so people missed out on that window. So when Bitcoin got back to 70K, a lot of people was like, hey, I made it back. Let me just go ahead and cut ties here, and let's just so I can get that stress off my back, which I understand, right? You make it back to where you started, where you didn't actually lose money, and or you made it back to that point where you made hella profits and you didn't take profits last time. Yeah, you're gonna take profits this time. You're gonna be a little bit cautious in the market, right? A lot of stuff happened. You're gonna have a little bit of bear market post-traumatic stress, as I would call it, right? It's normal. Mog is okay, right? Long is okay. Let's do a local fib. Sets the pump, guys. Law of meme coins, right? 7 days meme coins pump, and then they cool off. That's just the name of the game. Let's see what we got here. We are sending. All right, so yeah, we're still about the 0.5, right? Anything under 652 is really where you would technically say this is bearish. This is a little further into development on the 3-day here, as you can see here, looking for the reset on the stock RSI. This is the 3-day, so we do got information on 3-day for MOG. Still bearish. Excuse me, still bullish above the 0.5 technically, and we're sitting at 669. So still bullish, Good DCA if this is something that you are interested in. $12 million in volume. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, 40 people up here, 41 now. Elon Mars, I think we covered Elon. Elon did exactly what we said was going to happen. It came back down to that 0.5, and I think it bounced. I think it's trying to bounce off the 0.5. So, waiting for the charts to pull up. Oh, it broke the 0.5. So yeah, it's technically Elon is in bearish territory. The stock RSI is looking to reset on the 3-day. MACD is turning bearish, and you did break the 0.5 here on Elon. So technically, since the pump started, you would say that this is in bearish territory. It looked like it wicked below the 382, but now it's trying to bounce off the 382, and you really need that, right? Because if this thing If this 3-day close below the 382, next stop is the 236 here at about 624. And a lot of people who had that 2x from twos would most likely lose all of those gains. So you can see here, a lot of baby hands in the market, a lot of baby hands. The profit taking is getting wild, right? But you know, this happened like a few weeks ago. A lot of people just jumped up and just took profits. So yeah, we got 9 days here of just downward action from Elon, and you know, of course, you know, long-term herders, they get frustrated because they like, oh, we want it to pump, we're ready for it to pump, and all this extra shit, man. I don't want to get into it. I bought 120 worth of bone. 45 people in here, guys. When you hop in here, make sure that you subscribe, please subscribe, and please share this. Okay, let's fix the charts here. Okay, yeah, we're good. All right, we're good. Bone? How's Bone doing? I haven't checked Bone in a while. I know it had a massive run up. Oh yeah, so Bone is back under $1. And we got some information. We should have some information here on the 3-day with Bone as well. Yeah, it's putting in the handle from the cup. Got it. This is kind of bullish here. If we can hold, it'll most likely reset here at 81 cent. I think you want to see this thing hold 81 cent. You want to see Bone hold 81 cent. And you can see here it wicked twice. Well, you call it 3 times. And got rejected off support. So that's actually positive, right? Though, and why did it just do that? The stock RSI is looking to reset, and the MACD is looking to set potential. But this textbook cup handle, you need this thing to really bounce off this support that we do have at 81 cent, right? So we got the cup here. I don't know why it just did that. So we got the cup here. We got the handle here. But you need it to bounce off there, right? And continue to uptrend from there. But at 86 cent, when you look at the moves Bone, Shiba Inu were doing, it kind of show you what it can actually do. I'm just being a little bit cautious in this market, right? We don't know how long the dump will continue, so we have to be cautious, but we also have to be fearless too. You know, fearless. This is the time really where you buy crypto, right? Extreme greed has went down tremendously. This thing was in the 90s, now it's in the 80s, and would love to see it get in here, right? It wouldn't be bad if it got in here. I'd be like a big buyer, right? But yeah, right here, when you know, would love to see it get in this the light green, right? It's still in the extreme greed. We need to get out of extreme greed. We need to get in greed. I think tomorrow puts us in greed, right? Because FOMC, J Powell comes out and be's hawkish, and now people are going to be calling them J Foul. All right, 46 people up here. Bye. Vito, what's up? Floki. All right, we take out Floki here. Floki. Let's see what Floki has had a strong run, right? It's now sitting under a $1 billion market cap here. All right, we got a dead flower here on Floki on a 3-day. So massive profit taken. We do got support here at 315. And then next stop would be 312. So, you know, on a 3-day, I would be looking for this. You know, you got to understand it takes time for this stuff to kind of like play out. We are looking at a long-term, you know, a longer perspective outside of like 4 hours and stuff like that. If you're trading on the day, 4 hours, I'm a momentum trader. So I look at daily, 3-day, weekly, and sometimes monthly, right? No momentum here on the 3-day. You could set up a buy zone here if you were a you know, a Floki guy. You know, maybe you know, get your buy zone set up here if you're a Floki guy. Due to the fact that we did get that wick candle and rejection off support, maybe this is the little area. Not much support, right? It's like hanging from a hangnail here. And we don't know how the FOMC meeting will turn out tomorrow. So like I said, if you're going to DCA, just make sure you do it over the course of the next 3 days, opposed to just doing one DCA all at once. Yep. But yeah, Floki had a huge move here, and yeah, people are taking profits, right? I know one person in the Discord was saying they had a brother that was making like millions of dollars off Floki because he bought at the floor levels and just, you know, sent it, right? Right, Jesus coin as well. Jesus, a nice dip. Had no choice but to get 287 more of J5. J-Man, yeah, we had a nice dip, man. I'm not too concerned, right? Oh wow, we bounced off nice, did we? Sheesh. All right. Oh, that's you right there, huh? Did you just send us to space, brother? That's you right there, huh? You just sent us to space. Why they got you as a bot? You got a bot set up, J-Man? Why they calling you a bot, bro? Oh yeah, you just sent us to space. You want some? I already know you a whale in the project, so you probably just sent us to space. Yeah. So yeah, we bounced off that point 0.5 perfectly, right? We had some buys come here, 404, 497, 3 grand, thousand, and then you had of course, this guy deciding to take a little profits here, which is cool. But loved how we bounced off the point 0.5 there, right? Still have not got that reset on the stock RSI. It's like been a slow ride down here to the stock RSI, guys. But again, I'm dormant, right? I haven't been even doing anything, right? Just kind of like letting the chart play out on its own, not rushing into any exchanges, not rushing to close any partnerships or do anything to that would require us to liquidate tokens to integrate partnership or listing. Right now, we're just chilling. We're enjoying the things that we have been building, and we're having a little bit of patience in the market. From my perspective and the things that I'm working on the back end, I'm going into this with patience. I'm not going into this rushing anything. I let the forces be with us, and the charts work out on their own. And yeah, love to see it. 46 people up in here. Cell frame will do big numbers. Yes, if you're part of the J5 Telegram channel, we've been talking about cell frame for at least 2 weeks now. I didn't realize now, in order to be part of that Telegram, like you got to be holding 10 grand, like 10 grand worth of J5. Like it wasn't that, like it was 5x below that when we first started the TG channel and people got in. Now you got to have 10 grand to be in there. So at some point we'll go back, crunch some of the numbers, and see if we can get a more favorable entry for the people who bought in early, got a chance to get in that channel. We've been talking about cell frame for 2 weeks, bro. We've been really front running the narrative, the quantum resistant resistant technology narrative. We've been really front running that. So yeah, we've been talking about that for like 2 weeks, right? And I have to do some content for the Patreon. I know the Patreon is like, wait, Billy, where you been? The guys, I'm everywhere with it. AIOZ. I think that's an OG in the space. So we'll head over here to the other charts. AIOZ. Yeah, and if you want to, feel free to show your bags. Oh my goodness, yeah, this thing pumped out of the Gaussian channel with fierceness, right? This is an example of what happens when the Gaussian channel turns green, guys. Like, this is the type of moves you get. AOZ seems to be strong here on the weekly. Still hasn't got any type of confirmation of bearish momentum. Is overbought, but no confirmation that the momentum has turned bearish. This has been godly since it turned green. What actually is this token? So let's actually check it out here. AIOZ. AIOZ. Oh, so it went. What did it? 10x? Did it go from 100 million to a $1 billion market cap? Yeah, that thing sent out of like this. It looked dead for a while, and then out of nowhere it sent. Let's see what we got here. What is this network? It's a DeepIn AI storage and streaming DeepIn. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful technology. Excuse me, not technology. I know nothing about technology, but this is beautiful narrative, right? How did I miss this? This is something that I would definitely have interest in. I'm surprised I missed this. At a $100 million market cap, probably 10x real quick. Yeah, AOZ looks nice, bro. Good narrative, AI storage. Yeah, DeepIn, they killing it right now. They literally killing it, right? And I did sell frame. I get paid on the 29th, so hoping J5 can stay low then. Yeah, we were in the midst of a head and shoulders pattern. So what's 29? I don't know, 10 days. That's a long time from now. But yeah, we'll continue to grow and continue to put in work, right? Jesus coin. Somebody said Jesus, trying not to Miss any comments there, guys. Appreciate you if you share this on all your favorite platforms. Also, like and subscribe. Consider our community token J5, where you earn rewards for just interacting with our ecosystem. And if you're part of the Whale Degen of the Patreon, you also get rewards every month on J5. Which I know those rewards for some people have turned into bags, right? I think Grip Elite was one of the guys that's been storing J5. He's been in a Whale Degen for a while. And look, when you're a Whale Degen on my Patreon, and actually, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's swing over here to the Patreon. Be right back. Show you guys what I'm talking about, right? So you would look at it like, oh, Whale Degen is $2.99 a month. Like at one point it was $9.99, right? And then we lowered down the price, right? Because we want to make everybody a fair opportunity. Let's change this to paid member, viewing as a member. You guys an idea what I'm talking about. Alrighty. Alright, memberships here. Alright, so here. Alright, so let's go back to the limited 3 of 5 minute back on the live stream here. Alright, so yeah, this right here is the $2.99. This is $2.99 a month, but the people who've been earning J5, this has, if you're in this, if you're in the $2.99 tier, if you were in the $2.99 tier early, right? So a lot of people were in the $2.99 down here, right? It just was stacking up J5 rewards every month. I think we paid like 2 of them, right? 2 months, because we haven't really been, in Inception that for that long. But people were earning rewards down here, right? This paid itself off. It probably paid itself off for multiple months, right? Probably 3 to 6 months already paid off if you're in the Patreon and you were in the $2.99 because you got J5 rewards. And when we were paying out the rewards originally, the rewards that they would get were worth a certain amount. And then the project kind of like blew up. So those rewards are worth way more than they were when they first started. So it's paid off this $2.99. It probably paid off a year or more with the J5 rewards for the people that were actually part of this. And that's the utility of our token, right? You earn rewards if you interact with the community. And we're also a gateway for new people to navigate across crypto and learn. So if you join the Discord, you'll see what we got going on. So yeah. If you've been earning J5 rewards being in this tier, this been paid off on top of some of the alpha you get from just being part of that tier. So, salute to everybody, on that. I get paid on 29, hustle, pumped and dumped already. Still have high hopes for it in the long term. I haven't heard that token in a long time. All right, first let's do Jesus, because somebody had asked me about Jesus coin, and I got a little distracted there. So, Jesus still in here in that consolidation area. Not bad. Bearish though. Bearish momentum. Momentum here is bearish as well. MACD is about to turn bearish, right? It tried to give you a little bit of bullish momentum, but now it's turning bearish. But as long as it holds this support, this is perfectly normal. This is accumulation for Jesus token, and as long as it continues to bounce off this support, don't know when it will bounce out of this. What I would recommend, if you're looking at this from the 3-day, turn you on some BBs and just wait for the BBs to tighten up. And when it tightens up, eventually there'll be a squeeze. We haven't got that tightened yet, but it will be tightening up soon. So I would just pay attention to the BBs on the 3-day. Who else does that? Am I the only person? People be looking at me crazy as hell. Oh, hustle. Oh, I haven't heard this token in so long. 395 market cap. Wow. We had a higher market cap than hustle. Oh man, this thing right here has been tough being an investor in this, right? But anything can happen in crypto, man. You know what I'm saying? This is why I'm so like cautious with like paying for partnerships and listings, because I don't want our chart to look like this, man. I'd rather our chart grow organic than liquidate tokens to be friends with this person, and for this person to talk about the crypto, and this person to integrate us, and then all that shit costs money, guys. And you get, as a dev, you get wrapped up into the hype of the community putting pressure on you to bring something new every day. And eventually, when you get wrapped up into that type of hype, then your chart looks like this. Your chart looks like this. And sometimes it's not even the dev or anybody taking profits. It's just like them trying to build something, trying to throw things at the wall, trying to get listed on exchanges, trying to close these partnerships, these deals, so they could give a Twitter post. It all costs tokens. It all costs tokens. It all requires liquidation. So it did pump back up. But again, seems like the 3-day is about to lose all of those profits that we seen from this. And it was just one candle, right? One 3-day candle. We finally seen some life. But it looks like it's losing that life again. So good luck. Good luck to anybody that holds this project. Good freaking luck. Pollen. You already know. I was just out getting some coffee, so it could have been pollen. We need more people up here for this alpha, guys. Like and subscribe. Please, please, please. Share this stream. We need more people up here. 38 people. We need more likes. Let's go. Share this stream. Share the stream, baby. Millie, you on the late night grind and the early morning grind. Respect, bro. Yeah, because it's like this, VA. This is the thing, right? You see, look how we're rebounded on the hour. I don't think the dump is over though, right? I still think that we get more dump tomorrow because we haven't had the FOMC. But this is the strength. The market is strong. The market is strong. Like it really is strong, right? But I just don't think this dump is over. I want to DCA, but I'll wait till tomorrow to DCA. I'm going to DCA on FOMC day. I'm not fucking around one day before, right? I've been here before, and I know how this shit goes, right? This could be a liquidity capture for people that doesn't know how this thing goes, right? They capture more liquidity, and then we get the real dump tomorrow with this FOMC meeting looming, right? We got the FOMC meeting looming. So I'm not a buyer today. I'll do my DCA tomorrow, or I'll start DCAing in sections, right? Create me some buy sections and DCA from there. Good to see that we are rebounding on the hour. The market is extremely strong. Suits and ties are looking to buy up this dip on the hour. Even BTC and ETH is up. Wow, ETH almost went from 4,000 to 3,000. Unbelievable, right? Even Bitcoin down 10K, guys. Yeah. So good to see that we are rebounding on the hour. And hey, I could be wrong. This could be the start of the rebound, right? And then maybe I should have DCA'd an hour ago and bought as much as I can. But yeah, just because of my experience in the market, and I know how I don't trust Jay Powell. I know how he is, and I know that if he thinks that the data is still bearish for him as far as like on potential cuts, he's gonna come out and say, "Hey, I'm looking at the data. Data doesn't seem like it's lining up to our goals. We're gonna continue to pause. And that's gonna cause more dumpage. Definitely cause more dumpage." Population in India and Asia. Yeah, man. Actually, to be honest with you, Laurel, there's been Indian exchanges that have already reached out to us and want us to get listed. Laurel, there's like 2 or 3 Indian exchanges. It's Asian exchanges. If I showed you my Telegram, like every day it's an exchange action actually to list us. In fact, I can further prove it. I don't gotta actually go to the Telegram, but I can, if I went to the email and I showed you like every Indian exchange is trying to list us. That's not tier 1, right? Every Asian exchange is trying to list us. That's not tier 1, right? Moonbound, what's the word? Good to see my guy Moonbound in here at work, but listening. Hey, yeah, gotta grind, right? Let's get it. Lorel Jack, where you been, bro? My boy back in town. Population India. Yeah, I'm not rushing to get in listed on exchange, guys. It costs liquidation of tokens to get listed on exchanges, and it's also a process to get listed on exchanges, especially if you don't have your own personal market maker. And it's very, very tough to have the exchanges doing the market makers for you because you don't really know what's going on. So again, there's been many Indian exchanges reaching out to list J5, bro. Many. And then we have Asia, and I'm kind of like I think WeX, they're like an Asian exchange. They reached out to us, but yeah. What I was about to say, yeah, I'm a little cautious on India. Don't they got them crazy taxes out there? Crazy taxes, right, guys? Really, I found this low cap AI called Eternal AI, but I'm not sure if it's solid or legit, but it has a use case Eternal AI. Mind a $1 million market cap. Only 10 cent with 10 million max supply. That's kind of juicy. Let's see what this type of activity they got going on. I like the risk to reward there, but I don't know enough to give you an opinion. We are forging a new digital legacy where one's conscious can continue to exist, interact. This is what people were talking about in my Discord. Yeah, there's a lot of people talking about this project in my Discord saying it has something to do with like life and death, right? This is very niche. This is very niche, right? This is extremely niche. Let me turn off the music because they tried to flag one of my videos the other day because we was watching the video together and we had the music playing, so I can't play the music, guys. Eternal AI, a project that promotes immortality, right? Your legacy can live forever with Eternal AI. That's interesting. Very niche, but very interesting project there. Very interesting. Very interesting. Don't know how that one will cause Town Festival Spain, heavily involved setting up events and partying and friends over USA, London, and Holland. Amazing time. Love to see you enjoying yourself. Nice, bro. Sounds like a good time. Really, congrats, Millie J5. Man, we're only in the start, right? Thoughts on Right Stream? Think it could be a decent competitor to Hello? Right Stream. Why do you think it could be a competitor Hello when Hello is like is almost what's it called, like mainstream, right? Like these guys have like streaming deals. They got deals with like Warner Brother and stuff like that. Hello is like how Gala Games is, right, to gaming, right? They got some real stuff going on. Oh, this thing pumped, right? So I know Joy Stream pumped, so I guess this is like the playoff Joy Stream. See what we have here. Right Stream. Okay, I'm following them. Web3 streaming and crowdfunding launchpad for film and TV projects. Oh yeah. Now, yeah, this is a little different from Hello and Joystream, right? Because they got something going on called they'll be doing launch pads for film and TV projects. Yeah, this could be a sleeper. Kind of like they're in the same position that we're in, J5. So they need to go Omni, right? I would love to see these guys go Omni. I'm not sure what chains that they're on, but they need to go Omni, especially with this type of utility. This is nice. This is nice. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Check out the website. Kind of sparked my interest there when they said Launchpad for TV and stream pad. That's essentially like, okay, we accept. Decentralized destination for community created entertainment TV film crowdfunding for blockchain metaverse cinema pass launch. They have a launch pad. That's huge. Launch streaming app discovery world of community created launch streaming app. Hold on, man. We might need to partner with these guys. Partners, Quill Audits, Planet, Startup Slang, Alliance Block. Oh, that's huge. Where you can find, okay, they on Gate IO, Bitmar. Okay, so yeah, that's good that they mitigated that. Engine Metaverse. Oh yeah, this looks nice. This Yeah, I gotta do more research on this. This looks nice. This looks nice. This is something that interests me right here. I like the idea of a launch pad for projects that want to do like film and streaming. Yeah, I'll put this on the watch list. Rightstream is definitely one of the better tokens that you guys bought in today. Now this is interesting. I'm liking what I'm seeing from Rightstream. Good one. Who said that? Who put out right? Harry Briggs. Good. That looks interesting. I see why you said it could be a good competitor to Hello. Now I understand. Rightstream, yeah, looks legit. I'll do more research off the stream. Check out the team. See what's going on. Right. It's okay to sell on central exchanges when it's time to take profits. New here. I much love y'all. Yeah. You can sell on exchanges. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Coinbase really did Gala dirty. It did, man. I hear a lot about that. How a lot of people have a lot of money in Gala V1, but they're not able to convert it to Gala V2. That's messed up. That's messed up because a lot of people have regular life, man. Everybody not sitting here standing at the charts like me looking stupid, right? People living their life, doing their things. They can't like always be part of the huge news when you know you at work and you not by your computer and you trying to work and then they say, oh, we're on V2 and you just kind of like miss out on everything, right? And now you're just stuck with V1 tokens. Absolutely. Buy the dip, guys. Way better than buying green candles. Honda, Trump. Honda, when you add that AI, baby. I think Honda still is in J5. I don't know. He might have took profits. Honda be moving stuff around, bro. But Honda's my guy. I call it gullible. See, she's getting in early. Yeah. Getting in there early, man. Coming up here, putting in the good work. Putting in the good work. Because again, when you have a project, a project, right? You know, salute to our project, right? J5. Even on these days, down 12%, we got to come in. We got to, we got to show our face. We got to show that we're here long term. That we're not just, That's why I'm doing this. That's what I'm doing this. I'm here, right? Even though we're bearish on the day, we're rebounding, pretty good on the hour. But again, I'll be a little bit cautious because we are headed into the FOMC meeting. This is when I'll do most of my DCA tomorrow if I choose DCA. I don't know. We're pre-halving, post-halving. It's a lot of projects that I'm interested in once they launch, like Aether, Blood Loop, and also Aether, Blood Loop, and it's another one. I can't remember the third one. Aether, Blood Loop. Patreon. What's the third one that we getting into? I can't remember. Patreon, where y'all at? God damn it. All right, where we at? Let's see here. Let's change the screen. Let's change the screen here. That's what I'm talking about, Honda. Honda really on the team. Nah, I respect whether you do what you do, we respect it. Connor Kenneth did an interview with the Rightstream head if you wanted to check it out later. Yeah, I'll check it out. Rightstream looks interesting. I'm loving what I've seen from just that little bit of information I looked at. Like the narrative. Got to take a deeper dive, of course. Check out some things on how I like to do it. Oh, okay. Trump AI. Connor Kenny. Is that the Terra Luna guy? Connor Kenny? I think so. Gala's still good by these levels. Gala. Let's check out Gala. AIOZ was beast mode. God, share this. We need more people in here. I know I'm competing with other big YouTubers, but I tend to drop that. I tend to drop that real alpha. Oh my God. Look at the dead flower here on Gala. Sheesh. Didn't turn green, so yeah. Gala has not left the station yet. Goss's channel is still red. Bearish momentum on the stock RSI. Phew. Looks like Gala wants to come back down here, guys. Right at the. So I wouldn't be surprised if Gala retests the top of the Gossin channel. Just because we have no support, right? We would have to go out and see if we have some support here and see where we at. So we do got a little support there. So actually, let's back test this so we can be correct here. Why is Gala has like the weirdest chart of all time, right? All right, so looks like we did break that support we did have here. Let's back test this from here. All right, get some resistance and support lines going on here. I'm just doing it quick, so this is not going to be all perfect, but I just want to give you an idea. So we did break both of those lines of support here. So next stop, in my opinion, we got a little bit of support there. But if we break this right here, And good news, we wicked off it, right? We wicked off that support. So we do got support here at what, 4.9 that we did wick off. But I wouldn't be surprised if we came back and retested 4.4 or maybe retested the top of the Gaussian channel. Definitely a great opportunity to DCA. I would DCA periodically going into the FOMC. So maybe you do a small percentage today here, you do another percentage here, and if it goes down to the Gaussian channel, you do your last DCA there. If it falls back into the quicksand, well then, yeah. Not financial advice, dog. I appreciate the $2 AI. Can you analyze BOM? Oh, no, we don't got enough information on BOM, but I'll try my best. I really don't like this token, to be completely honest with you. I don't like the token. I just don't like it. Something don't sit right with me for it, but hey, that's me. BOM, NAP. I seen too many people like shilling it at the top, and a lot of people bought at the top, and now people are like 40-50% down, right? This thing was like what, $2 billion market cap, did crazy. We talked about how it was dropped down to the 382. You did it. Okay, so that candle we talked about yesterday did close above the 382. Just go watch the stream. I said that this candle needed to close above the 382, right? And it did. And now we're most likely going to go back up here to the 0.5. So I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced back off the 382 and heads back up to the 0.5, as we had 3 chances to break into the 382 and it could not break it. So the strength is still strong. Not a bad project, right? I think it has a lot of exchanges behind it, VC behind it, whales behind it, big influencers behind it. So this thing probably will hold the 382. It got to hold the 382, right? Nobody wants this thing to look like some type of mad, like, ML scam, right? Nobody wants it to be like that. I don't want it to be like that. I'd rather people understand that people take profits. If you got in early or pre-sale, people are going to take profits. Why would you buy this up? When people were telling me like buy book of memes now, it's like, what the fuck were y'all thinking? I just didn't understand it, guys. I didn't understand it then, but now maybe it's a great opportunity. It is holding the 382 though. So if it can continue to hold the 382, next stop is the 0.5. But we don't have much information on this chart. We literally got to go to the 2-hour chart to even have any momentum indicators. Good chance it does retest the 382 because we are heading into overbought levels. But you gotta really go off the 2-hour charts here with this one, right? You gotta go to the 2-hour charts here. This one, you know, I would imagine this has a lot of whales in it as well. So whales deleveraging. De-risking possible. If I was a buyer for this, I would wait for it to go to I would just take a chance waiting on it to go to half a penny. I can see it going down to half a penny. You're taking a risk because, I mean, this is a very, very VC exchanged backed project, but I can see it going down to about half a penny before the move up continues, right? I would bet on it going back to half a penny. And we got to wash out the pre-sale. We got to wash out all the hype. We got to wash out all the baby hands that's losing money that's going to just get capitulated. Got to wash all that out. So I think the wash continues. And I think at some point this thing creeps under a penny. What's Tonic doing? Millie Meme AI has been killing it. What are your thoughts on Meme AI? My thoughts on these projects are the same, right? Oh, man. Any meme coin is going to go up and down in a very volatile manner. Oh, man. Yawns today, guys. Yawns today. Yeah, definitely blew up since the last time we did a local fib on it. It's not even inside my fib. This thing blew up, but now it's putting in a nasty profit taking rejection and whatever the devs are doing, right? They gotta sell tokens, they gotta pay for listens, they gotta pay for partnerships, they gotta do this, they gotta do that. Yeah, we do have an actual integration that we're planning on doing, but I gotta ask the community. What do y'all think? Do y'all want to so community, while I got y'all here, I might as well ask the J5 community this, and I asked the Discord this as well. Would y'all like to see a swap directly on our website? We have a project that we can partner with, that's gonna get the swap and everything. We've been talking about it. They're gonna integrate. We got some things that's just being built, right? That could possibly be. I haven't hit the green light on it, but if y'all want the swap directly on the website, something that we could potentially look forward to doing. Oh, rejection here. But again, I'm big on security measures, so I want to make sure everything is secure. I always test it out. So at some point, the website will probably be down. You feel me? As we test out the swap and make sure everything is working correctly. Oh, yeah, this is bearish, brother. It's looking for a reset. Bearish momentum is dying, though. I will say that. We are below the 382, so most likely it will touch the 236, what it is, 207. So I can see it coming back down here. It needs to hold. It needs to hold the 236. It needs to hold. It needs to hold the 236, right? Or it will lose all of the gains that it gained if it doesn't. But these new tokens, man, you gotta understand. If once they pump, the team gotta like pay for shit and this and this, and depending on if they lent out their tokens to other VC capital, hedge funds, whatever you want to call it, especially on meme coins, right? They could be dumping. Market makers could be dumping. Yeah, these pumps, they're not going to pump forever. They're going to reset. Doesn't matter what crypto is, even J5. Okay, I always be clear with that. But the only difference is we haven't been liquidating tokens. You can go check the blockchain, or you can just check the top wallets. We're chilling and just kind of like we're waiting for this storm to end, right? We're not going to contribute to the fucking storm. I never understand the devs that like to contribute to the storm, but I get it, right? It's like, okay, everything's falling. This is the time that we just need to go ahead and blend in with the profit takers and go ahead and get as much as we can get. So, and not saying that in a bad way where they're just filling up their pockets, because they probably want to expand, right? They probably want to get listed on exchange. They probably want to pay for some bullish partnerships, right? They probably want to make these type of things happen, which is generally okay, right? If you want your project to be around for a long term. As an investor, you need to understand this. You need to understand this, right? If you're on a cryptocurrency that doesn't have any tax, well, then there's no tax marketing wallet that's accumulating crypto, right? Then, you got to liquidate tokens. And even if you got a tax wallet, you still at some point have to liquidate those tokens. So understand that with meme coins and that's working to create these, Moonbound asked me, do I got a bear market strategy? I love the question, right? I love that question because that's a good question, right? Do you have a bear market? I appreciate people who ask that question. And that's something that I think any project needs to always be forward thinking, right? Being prepared for pumps or prepared for dumps. All right. J5 in this joint. What's the word, baby? Oh, man, is we tied today, huh? Tell me about it. All right, so let's check out Tonic. For the ladies in the chat. Lot of ladies in the chat. Tonic is holding up. Tonic is holding up better than other cryptocurrencies for sure. You should have some information on the 3-day. Guys, I look at longer time frames, right? I'm a long-term investor. Ooh, see here. Yeah, Tonic is trying to hold up a little bit. It has went back to retest that trend line, but you did get a golden cross here on Tectonic. So if it doesn't flip back into a bearish cross, because that could happen because we're so bearish and stock RSI is bearish, momentum is still bullish, but could see a bearish change here on the momentum as far as the MACD. We are right here at this trend line, so we need to hold the trend line. I will note here that we did get a 3-day cross here, so we do got the bull cross here, 50-day over the moving average, but we haven't seen much. But that's okay, because sometimes when we're in like this area where we're bearish, the bull cross doesn't immediately play out. I believe that we did get a bull cross. As long as we don't get a bear cross, because this thing is coming back down and looking to recross, we could finally see some action from the bull cross. So what you want to see here from Tectonic is you want to see Tectonic bounce off this trend line and back to the upside, right? It's been holding this trend line pretty good. Even though it's not really in a upward trend, this is a higher low from here. You cannot deny it. But if you want to call this a low, then this would be a lower low. So very, very strange chart, but if it bounces off here, that would be bullish, coinciding with this bullish cross that we do have on a 3-day. So tectonic is actually one of the better charts, and we do have a bull cross. As long as it doesn't turn to a bear cross, it could bounce off the trend line and start to move up. I would be a little cautious because the stock RSI is bearish, but it was bearish here, and then it bounced back up. So you want to see it kind of like fake out and bounce back up, coinciding with this move that we see here. AB in the house. What's up, my boy AB? AB is one of those guys that was accumulating J5 through rewards and seeing his rewards go crazy, right? Your opinion on CTSI? I don't know too much about that one, guys. CTSI. Let's check it out. CTSI. I don't know anything about this, to be completely honest. I don't know. No one ever asked me about this. $220 million market cap. This is a new one. Let's see here. Cup handle. Nice pullback. This thing was bullish, so hey, could be a nice pullback for people that were entering and missed out on those entry points. What is this? Cardacy is an application-specific roll-up protocol when Linux runtime. Let's build together. Didn't really tell me much, so I guess I'll go to the website. Guess I'll check out the website, right? Application-specific roll-ups, scaling, computation, transcending, EVM. Okay, EVM compatible. Ecosystem here. Moving beyond shared computation, EVM designs limitations. A full suite of open-source libraries for your dApp. A balanced design space for cutting edge. This is something that I got to look into. Looks interesting, right? I'm a dev. I like, and this Cos can use a layer 2, a layer 3 or so. Oh, yeah, this is bullish. This is bullish. There it goes. There it goes. Modular. There it goes. This is a modular chain that nobody said was modular. So did they just add that? Because I've been looking into modular chains and I never knew this was modular. Yeah, this looks interesting. About resources, community. Let's see here. About a new space for living and growing. Ethereum's infinite garden requires new solutions that push the boundaries of Web3. Mining Web3. Yeah, I gotta do research on this. This is an interesting $200 million market cap. Not bad. Oh, another project though that I'm definitely looking to find an entry point in. For my blue chip bag, right? Because I still focus on my blue chip bag. Y'all see me get some Hedera, right? I still focus on my blue chip bag. I really want to bite out a Superverse, man. I really would like Superverse to come down a little bit, man. I feel like Superverse can do something crazy like Gala, man. I'm buying into what Elliott Trades is doing. Oh man, I would love it to come back to like 60 cent. It probably won't. It probably just get rejected at support at 90 cent. 90 cent probably is the next stop. Maybe it comes down to 90 cent. But yeah, Superverse is bullish, man. Superverse is bullish. Bullish project. Bullish gaming project right here. This is connecting all gaming ecosystems. I am bullish on Superverse. I made a banging video in the past on Superverse. Go check it out, guys. Superverse is one of the ones, right? I wouldn't bet against Elliott Trades. Elliott Trades got that dog in him like I got about being a creator and being a developer and really producing and executing. I'm a big fan of Elliott Trades. Wouldn't bet against him. I'm so DJ and I use memes as my... Oh my God. I can't believe people... Yeah, people was... Yeah, man, dumping. I need something to buy. T.O., you already know how I feel. Damn, y'all making money, making me want to buy. But gotta love these red days. Yeah, gotta love these red days. Got to love these red days, right? Nice to see Elmo having some movement the last few weeks. Yeah, Elmo. I think Elmo MMA. We've been paying attention to those tokens, right? We can check it out. Elmo down 23% of the day. Yeah, it bounced for like $500,000 market cap. Almost to a $3 million market cap, which is an epic bounce, right? That was nice. That was a nice bounce from Elmo. Love to see it because a lot of the community been waiting for that bounce. So love to see what Elmo did right there. Needs to hold around 208. Needs to hold 208. Momentum is bearish on the 3-day, but the MACD is still bullish. So this could be the beginning of the anticipated Elmo uptrend here, right? Could be the beginning of the anticipated Elmo uptrend. Got a nice little cup handle. Can it Can it recover here? Possibly. We've seen it do that here where it bounced down into a red candle but turned back into a green candle. Elmo looks strong. How's MMA doing? I see my low cap Ethereum portfolio was getting absolutely riggedy wrecked. Some of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Just hopes this breaks out of this pattern here. Would hate for this to be like a double top. Hopefully it's not a double top. I think Elmo can go to $10 million market cap, 10x. I'm looking for the 10x for this gaming token when gaming comes back around, seeing that it is sitting at only 600 holders. And the game actually it looks pretty bullish to have only 600 holders. And when you think of them integrating all of these different meme coins into the game, you can expect a lot of those communities to come over here and hold Elmo. There should be some type of utility that's tied into these meme coin, other meme coin members coming over here and holding the Elmo token. So love to see that from the MMA and the Elmo ecosystem. 44 people up here. Memes to dreams, baby. Memes to dreams. That's right, Honda. Memes to dreams. $2 from Honda. Appreciate the two beans from Honda. All right, is that it? I think that's it, guys. I told you on the hour, be careful. I told you guys, like, I'm not sold, and it's a reason that I'm not sold, and the solely reason I'm not sold is because we're not here yet. We're not in the FOMC zone, so I'm not sold on the dump just yet. How long have we been going, guys? Hour and 20 minutes. I can go for 10 more minutes, right? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's see what we got here. Q&A. Anything else we need to be checking out, guys? Comments. Go crazy. This is the time to go crazy. Anything else I need to be checking out? All right, we'll close the coin market cap. Focus on coin market cap. API moves so damn slow. I want Big Mike. Oh, he said I want Big Mike on the MMA game. I want J5 on the MMA game, right? I reached out to Elmo about that, but then at the time they was kind of like had their hands full, which is understandable, right? Big Mike is actually up on the day, right? You haven't seen this a lot from cryptocurrencies, but up 11% on the day. I'll take it. Holding tight at the support. Right, we'll take it. Guess we got to go to like a 12-hour. Can we go to a 12-hour time frame? Yeah, we should be able to have enough information here on the 12-hour time frame. Maybe the daily. Do we have information on the daily? Not too much information, but just enough, right? So peak bearish on the daily, but holding. So this is actually good that we're peak bearish, but the project is holding here, right? So kind of in no man's land. I don't know how this thing holds up. It's kind of trying to build on some support here. So if I'm looking at Big Mike, I'm looking at it like right here where.
Respect the grind, bro. Appreciate all your hard work, man.
Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate that. AI talking to me in my ears. All right, so yeah, I would definitely look for big. If I was a Big Mike type of guy here, maybe you create some buy zones that you can DCA if this continues. I don't think it comes all the way back down here to the floor, right? Nice little move, but we are in this area here, and technically we are in no man's land, right? We are in no man's land, so I'm gonna have to draw a fib and say exactly where we at since we bounced up. All right, let's see here. That's not what I was trying to do. All right, here. Let's see here. So we'll just do it since it started pumping. That would make more sense, right? All right. So let's see here where we at. Where we at with Big Mike? I guess I'll remove this for now. All right, so yes, keep getting rejected here at the 382, which is good news, right? Which means it wants to come back to the 0.5, and it's kind of using the 0.5 and the 382 as a consolidation zone. If it breaks the 382, you can see here next stop is somewhere in between the 236, which I would say will be here at the bottom of this God Green candle, which is 207. So you could probably create some DCA zones between the 382 and the 236. I don't think the dump is over with, and I frankly think that it's holding up by a thin of its here in between the 0.5 and 382 because there's literally no structure built. So this project is trying to build structure. Because there's no structure here on this candle, most likely it will go back into the 236 if this dump continues and people start to take those profits. So yeah, could be an opportunity here with Big Mike if you're a Big Mike type of guy. Got 52. We got 50 people in here now. Like and subscribe. Hey Millie, please look at Rebase Gaming $5 million market cap. Thanks. You got in. Do you think it's a good time to buy Jasmine again? Yeah, Jasmine I think is at 0.5. We do got our Jasmine coin token here. It came down and retested exactly where we thought it was going to retest, which is a penny and a half, and it bounced right off it. So Jasmine is still strong here. Stock RSI is looking to reset on the daily. No momentum on the MACD, but it came right down here to exactly where we called it was going to come, right? So yeah, and it bounced right off, so that's not bad, not bad. Let me see here. Rebase. Is this it? We holding on tight to a penny. We holding on tight to a penny. Rebase GG or space rebase. Guys, which rebase is it? I'm gonna need some more information here. It's a couple of them. So you got okay, IRL. Okay, thank you for that. IRL. New token. Contract. Looks like they have their own chain. Do they have their own chain? Don't see a contract there. Rebase RL Cup. We'll follow them. AR invention and M2E app powered by geotechnology. Discover NFTs in real world. Download now. Rebase GG. GG. Good game, baby. Explore, earn, and redeem. Explore and collect. Explore and collect. Oh, this is like a D-Pin gaming project. Hunt for treasures. Oh, very similar to Pokemon Go, huh? What chain are they on? Are they on their own chain? I'm not seeing any contract here. All right, pools, finance, launchpad. Where's the contract? They must be on their own chain, huh, Steve T? Big Mike G's are gone. They left the 90% retrace. I'm still up over 10x. Got in at 160 market cap and went into 10 million. Then back to around 1.5. Okay, yeah, you're doing good. On Trust Wallet, but you have to see it do some cryptos like this happening once to another coin. No, it's not lagging. You just have to import your J5 on your wallet. So Artur, what you have to do is you copy the contract, go to import tokens, and just import J5. It's going to show up, bro. It's going to show up. You can do the same thing on MetaMask, guys. You can see here. Gonna help out. And join the page. Join the Discord. We'll help you out with that as well. You can see here we are on MetaMask as well. So all you got to do is go to your Trust Wallet, right? I have some tokens over there that sometimes don't show up, but you have to import them. Okay, this is very important, right? And this is something that I think you guys need to start doing before you go buy a token. Okay, do research, right? Understand how this stuff works. Okay, if you see like, okay, the J5 is not showing up in my my wallet, I'm happy you asked that question, Arturo. All you have to do is copy the Johnny 5 address, the correct J5 address. Scroll down on your Trust Wallet, hit import token, and it'll import the token. Now, I'm not sure if we are on Trust Wallet yet where it will show the balance, but you can always go to PancakeSwap and check your balance. Love the AI voice. Is Elon in the quicksand yet? Let's check it out. I don't think I checked that out today. We did some TNA on Elon, but I don't think I actually checked it out. If it's it's in the quicksand, bro. It's definitely in the quicksand. It's looking for the retest of the median, and it's in the quicksand. So, any Elon maxis out there, you still have a chance before the rocket takes off, right? The rocket got stalled out. They had to run. They had to go put some more gas in it. It just, you know, it wasn't ready. It wasn't ready to leave the station, right? Elon said, "Hey, we got a few more things to do." Wasn't ready to leave the station here, and yeah, it's back in the quicksand, right? We did retest the quicksand, so yeah. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. I'm a rookie to this. Well said. Nah, nothing personal. I'm learning to have patience in crypto. Before I would have got a little, you know, I'm learning to have patience, and I try to have patience with open arms, right? And then if you come join our Discord, we do a lot of helping out new people when they get into crypto. But that should help you out right there. Just copy and paste the address. Go swing it into the Trust Wallet, and it should pop up at the bottom of your Trust Wallet page. I don't think that I haven't done the Gitboot yet, so this developer shit is just like you have to pay to get your token on Trust Wallet to show that and all that stuff, man. So we've been chilling, right? We're not looking to liquidate anything on the charts. We're just chilling. No problem, Arthur, man. Appreciate you here. Bought 5,000 Jasmine a couple hours ago. Good DCA, penny and a half, right? Let's see what we have here. Trump AI. Remember Pepe Mongo? Oh man, I don't even want to talk about that. Right? They was trying to get me to I think what's it called? I don't even want to talk about that. Honda. Let's not talk about Pepe Mongo, please. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. I'm a rookie to this. About Jasmine Honda. Yeah, Honda come with the bullshit right there. I don't even talk about that. Oh man, I put $41 in Superverse now, 418. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What you got? A nice little 10x there, Larell. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Larell, calling them plays early in the game. You good, bro? That's me. I don't take offense. Appreciate your honesty. Nah, that is you. I don't think you. I don't think like I said, I'm working on my patience, so I didn't take it any offense as well. Sometimes I gotta count to three. Toro, you just understand. I get thousands of questions a day, so just understand that. I don't want to be short with anybody that's new to our Discord, and that's why I got people around the Discord to help me out with that, because I get thousands of questions a day, thousands of people like reaching out to me, thousands of businesses, corporations, exchanges. Oh man, it just gets annoying. Yeah, Honda, we're not gonna talk about that, right? We ain't gonna talk about that, bro. Oh man. Yeah, and it's even worse than the Telegram, right? It's fucking Telegram. I'm not even trading. My buddy already got 1% of the supply. I'll try to double down eventually. You got somebody that's well up in there, right? We need to see some green soon. This red is getting out of hand. Yeah, it's part of the game, right? Red getting out of hand on the hour. Oh man, yeah. Some tokens are starting to go back down into that red on the hour, so it just tells me that the dump is not over with yet. This just tells me rock with Millie. T.O. Appreciate you, Brody. Appreciate you, bro. I'm just chilling. Don't mind me, right? We even going through it. We even going to a dump. We got back over a penny, but you know, we see we're trying to break out of this ugly ass pattern. I can't wait till we just out this pattern. But again, I can't you know, you understand a lot of people bought J5 down here and here, been earning J5 for the free ball. So, you know, it happens. It's your loyalty token, utility token, so it happens. Me personally, we're building. Nothing to be concerned about, right? It's regular. But very, very transparent. I think somebody came on the stream and said, Millie, I love that you dox. Do you love that I'm dox because you're waiting for something to go wrong? Or you just freakily like that I dox because, you know, I got the kahunas to come out here and be a dox dev and be a dox YouTuber, right? Right? But I want to do things the right way, and that's what I work to do. I work to do things the right way, guys. I aim to do things the right way. Of course, I can't, you know, I can't, you know, if people take profits, that's on them, right? I can't just say, hold your bag, don't, I can't do that, right? Understand, that's not how crypto works. Only thing I can do is point you in the right direction, and then from there, you got to do what you got to do, right? You have to do what you got to do, baby. Yeah, there is okay, right? It's not in the quicksand. It's putting in two beautiful patterns here. So I like to use this here as what's it called here? What am I looking for? Parallel channel. I think I want to look at parallel channel. All right, so you see it here. here we got a parallel channel, and then it looks like it's putting in another parallel channel. Okay, I gotta zoom this down a little bit. Okay, where this parallel channel here lead us to? Maybe somewhere down there. All right, which would coincide with a move to the 9 cent. I don't think we get there. I think we maybe hold here. I don't even think we get that low, right? But two parallel channels and should break to the upside from. We got one right here. This is the second one. So these are all regular moves, guys. This is what happens. Flag patterns on top of flag patterns out here. They're technically still bullish, but from a momentum indicator, the momentum is bearish here. But Gossip channel is finally green. Bullish momentum here shows that we are in a bullish trend. We do have two parallel patterns, flag patterns we call them, and maybe we can have that next move to the upside, right? When I hit financial freedom, I'm going to be in my boss office when he gets there smoking those. Chosen for none. Also, you ever heard about call? Think it's a coin on Chronos. Why do some coins have a market cap and others don't on CMC or CoinGecko? If it don't, has it fully diluted market cap? I don't know why some projects they don't list the market cap. So CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, if you don't, so this is the thing, if you're a token like us that does burns, they don't actually upgrade, or should I say, they don't update their supply. So once you turn in the supply, you actually got to email them. And I don't know if you got to pay CoinMarketCap to update, but I know you got to email CoinGecko, you got to email Coin Update, and you got to request that they fix the supply based on the burns, right? So again, some projects have them, some projects don't. What I do, if it's not on there, I just swing over to Dex Tools. I mean, it's really just swing over to Dex Tools, bro. Swing over here to Dex Tools and kind of like get the correct information. I think Dex Tools usually is the most correct information. And then you can go check out Dex Screener and a couple other dexes, right? Opposed to just relying on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I like to go and check out them all. Dr. Sheba, what's up? Sheba in the house. We got administrators turning up. When I take Prop J5, it will be so big that the price will not move at all. Sheba's everywhere. Sheba must have been somewhere else, right? Yeah, I'm streaming around the time that all the streamers stream, so you know how it goes. When I chose none 95. You said, what do I think? Did I miss your question? What do I think about what? Come on, bro. Can I have some context here? Chose none 95. So what do you think? That's you didn't even give me no context, bro. Shit, can I get something? No context there from you. All right, Crow with the knife here. $7 million market cap. Is this listed on crypto.com? A lot of people have been telling me about this Crow with the knife, right? It's appeared with MMF Finance. Could this do with CoreG AI did, right? We didn't expect CoreG AI to run up to $1 billion, so maybe this does something that similar to CoreG AI. What is Crow with the knife, and why is a lot of people been telling me to check this out? We have an important message to deliver. Crow with a knife. All right. Buy on VVS Finance. So they probably got something going on with Crow, VVS, and maybe MMF Finance. Time, you know what to do. Is okay to be the first exchange to list a meme ticker. The token is KA. Is it actually listed on crypto.com? It's definitely been moving up the ranks. Yeah, so this could be the next one that crypto.com pumps up, lists it. We've seen CoreG AI come out of nowhere, so this is right now another project that's coming across my radar that a lot of people that's starting to talk about it. I think I'm going to start paying attention to this because I did miss out on CoreG. But maybe this is strong. Maybe we get a dip here back down to $5 million market cap. Maybe would be a nice good entry point for me personally. CoreG AI ran to 1 billion so quick, and I think Crow helped that out a lot. So if the community starts to rally behind Crow with the knife, I might want to start paying attention to this. Is this thing easy to buy, or is it painful, man? Let me know in the chat, man. Is it easy to buy or what? Ah, man, MMF. These tokens on sold that D. Say no proof found. Oh yeah, sometimes when a Sol project launches, I don't know why they have it like that with Sol. This is kind of like the negative shit about Sol. It's like you a project be like, oh, we're live, right? And they're sitting at like 5K market cap, 10K market cap, and you want to get in right then and there, but you can't find the pool. This is what a lot of people don't like about Sol. You can't find the pool, or you got to buy like 3 or 4 times because the transaction keeps getting reverted and rejected. So Sol definitely has its problems. And I think a lot of people don't like that about Call Easy. Yeah, I'll pay attention to Call. VVS is where I bought it. I got into Proppy Pro when it ran up. I'll check out Call because I see a lot of people talking about it. J-Man in the house, man. I'll check it out. But yeah, you go through a lot with Sol meme coins when they first launch. It's almost impossible to get in unless you got a bot that's sniping out the entry points, the launch, sniping out the launches, should I say? All right, so we chilled out here for a few, right? I went over my time, guys. I'm going to see you guys later. I got some work to do. He said it's easy to buy, but money amount don't show up because I've noticed that coins with no market cap don't show coin money amount in wallet. Yeah, that doesn't bother me at all. I've been around a while, I've seen that a while. Just because it's not showing up in your wallet doesn't mean it's not showing up on the swap, sir. So yeah, just kind of like if you gotta check your wallet with certain projects, just go to wherever you bought it at. Check go to like you're about to sell it, and then see how much your thing is. It's not something that I think that could create FUD or anything for a project. It's actually normal for new tokens because every new token doesn't want to pay Trust Wallet and this wallet and that wallet, and you know it looks good, but guys, it's not free. It's not like Trust Wallet sees your token and is like, oh, we want to list it, unless you got some type of insane volume. But at some point, they don't even give a fuck. They want money. All this stuff. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys some real shit right here at the top right here. All right, so look, all this shit costs money. Money to get on your to view your contract and be on the Binance scan and MetaMask scan costs money. Coin market cap, money. All this is money. It's not free, okay? Money. Liquidation of the projects, money. So every project is not in a rush to liquidate tokens just to get this stuff for the community. And I think communities need to understand that. Communities be like, when coin market cap, when Binance listing. Do you know how much it fucking costs to get listed on Binance? If I told you how much, because it's well over 500K unless Binance sees something in your project and they be like, oh, we want to be a part of it. It's well over 500K to get listed on some of these projects, right? Exchanges, right? A MEXC is like anywhere from 50,000 to 100K depending on the volume, right? So when dump the chart is what you should ask. When you gonna dump the chart so we can get when you gonna liquidate so we can get listed? When you gonna liquidate? That's what you should say as an investor, because it's not happening for free. It's not like, oh, you say when this and when that, and it's like, okay, let me go hit up them and see if they're gonna list us for free. No, when are you liquidating us so we can get listed? That's what you need to ask. That's why I like what Solana did. Solana went up there and changed the game, right? So Solana, and we could check it out here. Solana went up there and really like one of the first tokens I actually seen did this, and now you're probably going to see a lot of tokens do this. Which they're down 25% on the month. So I'm most likely my Solana bag here is getting absolutely riggedy wrecked. But I'm a believer in this token, so we'll continue to hold this token to the fortune. But yeah, here you go. So Solana went up here, and what did they do? Did they take it down? They might have took it down. Okay, here you go. So Solana went up here and was just said, fuck it, we're gonna just be all the way they said that we're gonna be all the way transparent, right? Gotbit, you got all that is money. They're not doing it for free. They're not coming in hollering at you like, hey, we like your project, we want to help you out. No. Hey, we like your project, give us some tokens, give us some USTD, and we'll promote you, right? MEXC, right? It's not free, right? They wanted 55K, yes. So that means Solana had to liquidate 55,000, because I'm pretty sure the dev is not about to pay for this shit out of his own pocket. They had to liquidate $55,000, right? And then they also had to turn in for the MA, the money marketing, market making, and unless they're going to ask Gotbit to do it, and I know how much Gotbit charges for market making. So they also said what, 5K worth of tokens, right? So you'll start to see more tokens doing this, because they don't want to be accused of dumping the tokens. Like, oh, the dev wallet is dumping. Oh, the top wallets are dumping. Yeah, of course, dummy. They're fucking dumping because they had to pay for MEXC. What the fuck is wrong with some of these people, man? Like, y'all don't do none of this shit. I'm all right. Rant time. Time out. Rant time for Millie. I'm going on a rant before I get off this stream, because now it's time for me to get off stream because I'm getting a little agitated. So yes. Of course the chart fucking dumped. Of course all these Solana meme coin charts are dumping because y'all want this. Y'all want MEXC. Y'all want this. Y'all want that. And they not doing this shit for free. So think about this when you go inside a Discord or you go inside a Telegram and say, win this, Millie, or win this dev or that dev. It don't matter. It doesn't matter. People do it in J5 too, right? Win this, win fucking that. Yeah, okay. When you want me to liquidate the fucking charts? Yes. Okay, yes. Prepare for volatility. You ever been on an airplane when they say prepare for turbulence? Motherfucker, prepare for turbulence then. Y'all want it? Prepare for fucking turbulence. All right? So I gotta be the voice in the space to help out all these meme coins and devs because they be scared as fuck to tell the truth. Kalana's telling the fucking truth of what's going on around behind closed doors, okay? It's all about how big your nuts is, how big your bag is. It doesn't matter. Integration, partnership, doesn't matter. Paid for. It's all being paid for. So stop begging for this and begging for that unless you are prepared for liquidation. Flat out. At some point, it got to stop. Yeah, Binance not finna list you for free unless you got a poly token, okay? Like, it's not gonna happen. So let's keep it real around here, right? This is what happens when communities beg for listings, beg for partnerships, beg for integrations, beg for coin market cap. It's 5K. Right, VA? Right? VA, talk to me nice, baby. VA, talk to me nice. That's the honest truth, guys. I hate to be that guy, but I gotta be that guy. Zarcourt 02, what's the word, baby? What's the word? Glad to see you in the chat. Okay, I know people want to leave the stream when Millie get real. Y'all always want to leave the stream once I start getting real, right? I get it. I get it. It's cool. Nobody wants to hear the truth, right? Y'all want to know that y'all want fluff. Oh, yeah, we want Millie to blame the devs for dumping on us. No, the devs not dumping on y'all. Devs not dumping on y'all. Y'all here begging for listings. Y'all here begging for this, begging for Gotbit, begging for this, begging for all of this bullshit, right? And understand that it requires liquidation. So whenever you think about that, think about this. Oh, all right, Jugglins. I'm out, guys. I'll see y'all later. Jugglins just talk about Wind Moon. This is where I leave the chat. Appreciate everybody that showed up. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Join the Discord for updates. Consider the private chat Patreon in TG channel for J5. I appreciate everybody that showed up for the chat today. You guys have a wonderful Tuesday. I do apologize for the epic rant at the end. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.